Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. Today we're gonna present our investment report for the week 12. Here's the members of Group 2 is me, Mahdi Arifah Dharma, Syifa Khairunisa, Siti Istinasya, Fanya Valencia, and Zahra Mahfirani. And this week, after week 10, we buy the NCKL by the Monday, 3 November 2025. We buy in price 100, 1,200. And for the share buff we got is 1,100 shares. With the loads purchase, we just want buy one load. The reason why we buy NCKL is nickel either with the strong long-term prospect due to the EV battery demand in today's the trend, and the price that we got is near the support level and considered the attractive for the accumulation. And the next is will be presented by Shiva.
So next for the buy transaction is we buying Toba. So we buy it on Tuesday, 4 November 2025, and we buy it at the price 80,000 1,855, and we bought 100 shares, and we only buy one lot. And reason why we buy it because Toba has solid performance and commitment to renewable energy project, and price was at discount compared to the previous weeks. The next is we buy Aces. So we buy it at Thursday, 6 November 2025. We bought it at 1444, and we bought two shares and we bought two lots. We bought 200 shares and about two lots. And reasons why we buy it because ASUS is typically defensive when the market declines, and valuations was considered cheap compared to its 5-year PBV average. And next will be presented by Siti.
Okay, so I will explain the sale transaction from Toba. So the transaction took place on the Friday, November 6, 2025, with a selling price of the 1,820 per share. Based on the amount received, the calculation result is approximately one lot, and that became the total share sold. So regarding the financial result, the total buy value of this position was 85,628 rupiah, while the sell value was in 81,795 rupiah. This led to a capital loss of the minus 3.833 rupiah, which is shown in the calculation on the slide. So the main reason we decided to sell the Toba was risk management, and the price dropped from the 855 to 820, which trigger our stop loss level. So the market condition move against our expectations. So instead of holding and risking a bigger loss, we close the position early. So this is aligns with our short-term strategy. If the price doesn't move as planned, we exit quickly to protect the capital. So maybe that's all from me. Back to moderator.
Next is will be presented by Fanya.
Okay, next, I will explain about how the portfolio list on Tuesday, 4th November 2025. The first one, we have Toba. We have 100 lots with the market price of 855 and market value of 85,500. And a NCKL with 100 lots with the market price of 1,200 and market value of 120,000. And our cash 94,192. Next slide. Okay, next is the list of stocks bought and sold from week 10 to week 12. So far, we have the stock from Toba. We buy it at 4th November and sold it at 6th November with the buy value of 85,000 and the sell value of 81,795. Next is the stock from ASUS. We bought it at 6th November with the buy value of 88.933 and we sold it after the period on 14 November. And the next one is we have NCKL. We bought it at 3 November 2025 with the buy value 120 and we sold it after the period. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Fanya. And here's the when we do discussion about our report. The conclusion will be explained by Zahra.
So the conclusion for this presentation, made several stock purchases. There are three, is NCKL, Toba, ASUS, and ASUS, with only Toba being sold during the 2 to 8 November period. And the portfolio value stayed relatively stable despite there are market fluctuations. And it's supported by positions in the NCKL, ASUS, and Toba. And the trading activity showed discipline by cutting losses. We on Toba while holding other positions that still align with the fundamental outlook. That's all from me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Zahra. And that's all for our report presentation for today's and thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.